God damn it, Harris. Okay, so I've got this place up here called Blazing fucking something, man. Chicken joint. It's called Blazing Chicken. There's what it looks like. They made me sign a waiver for this shit. So, ow! I just took the first bite of it. It's got Carolina Reaper all over it. Oh my God. And now my wife is going to make me eat the whole fucking thing. Ah! Okay.
There's 3.
Oh, I can't eat 3 of them. I got 3. Okay.
Well, you have to eat a small piece of another one to make a whole one.
I'm going to eat this one. That's the whole one.
And a little chunk of another one.
Oh my God. You're trying to kill me. Okay. All right. And this is with no milk. Oh my God.
Eat the rest of it. Eat the rest of it. You can't take little pieces.
I gotta take a bite. I got no teeth. I just bite it. Oh.
Come on.
You're killing me, Harris. You're killing me, balls.
No little bite.
Little bite.
Come on.
All right, let's get in there.
Are you sure that's the right one? Don't play with me.
Try it?
No. Come on. Hurry up.
Oh, no.
I've seen you put more big pieces in your mouth.
I'm gonna burn my asshole coming out. Oh my God.
Come on. There's a little piece left right there.
It's not a little piece.
Less talking. You said you were going to do 3 Carolina Reapers. This is a little piece of chicken. This is a little piece of chicken.
I said chips.
Hurry up. You can't have this big gap in the middle. Still sitting there. Still sitting there.
I know. My motherfucking mouth is blazing. Oh.
Quick like.
Heard? Oh.
I've seen you eat ding dongs quicker than that.
Ding dong are you hot?
Really? It's chicken.
You have to take a bite of this.
No.
Yes.
No, it's
chicken.
not me that's doing the challenge.
It's only chicken.
Come on, one little piece, and then you have to have another little piece to make a whole.
There's no little baby.
Cheating. Oh my gosh.
My God, it's right.
You're such a baby. It's just chicken.
It's just chicken. Very hot chicken.
Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, God, you're killing me.
2 more pieces.
No more pieces. What? Oh my God, run.
You need a little piece off of one of these.
Oh God, I don't want to.
Get the really red part.
That's big enough.
Okay.
All right. Oh.
1 chicken tender and all this.
Oh. Oh. Ah, I can't see it. I sweat so bad.
Don't put it in your eye.
I can't see it. I probably just did. Ah. Ah. Oh my God. Why do I let you drug me into this shit? Oh. 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 My fucking mouth. I can feel my mouth. Oh my God. It's burning my fucking nose. Ah.
Do you want some milk?
Yes!
Oh my goodness. What? Big crybaby.
Ow! Don't do that one at home, kid! That terrible chicken!
You did less belly aching with the pepper.
Dude, I couldn't talk! My face, anywhere I touch my face is burning like a motherfucker. Like, ah!
No more dynamite?
No more dynamite! That's only... I got it in my eyeballs. Ah!
Why did you touch your eyeballs?
That ain't hard! God damn! Oh, my feet. Oh.
Hey, I wonder if you peel off the coating if the chicken's hot.
Hey, I don't care. Oh.
Let's try that.
Oh, God, my baby cookie.
You only have a piece and a half of tender.
No.
Let's peel off the coating and see if the chicken's hot. Come on, let's try.
No,
No, you peel it. I'm not touching those things. They're hot.
Let me get one. Oh, God. Did they tell you to Carolina Reaper in that fucker when I sell it to you?
No, they just made me sign a waiver.
Sign a waiver. I was saying, I didn't sign a waiver, though. My God.
They don't know that.
I'm going to go back and tell hey, motherfucker, I didn't sign a waiver.
I'll lie.
Okay.
Seriously, take off the coating and let's see if the chicken's hot.
Oh, all right. I'm crying now.
We should just pick it off.
I still got cut a piece. Oh, the coating don't come off. Whole thing comes off.
No.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot.
How do you know?
Okay.
Let me see. Did you get all the coating off? Oh, that was a tiny piece of chicken, cheater.
Yeah, fucking chicken hot too. Yes, you did.
Don't lick
I
your
was just
finger.
going down. I was just going down. How do I let you talk me into this shit?
You're always saying you like it hot. Here it is.
Ooh, boy.
Don't waste food. You got one more.
Oh no, I know.
You got
Oh, no,
one
I know.
more.
Yeah, I know.
Look at that beautiful tender.
That's beautiful. No, that beautiful tender can light somebody's asses up.
Beautiful tender.
Give that to Ray. I'm gonna hit fire.
Give it.
God, it's gonna hurt.
He take it.